I'm going to show you how to speed up a video on iPhone. So with iPhone, it has its own software that comes with it, more of an Apple software called iMovie. So let's go ahead and find our iMovie. If you do not have it, which you should because it is an iPhone, we can go ahead to the App Store and we can go ahead and search for iMovie. iMovie. And you would just go ahead and download this app just like any other app. It is free to download. It is an Apple product, so it should just be on your phone by default, but if it isn't, go ahead and download it. So let's go ahead to our iMovie, and we're going to open this up. And what we're going to do is start a new project at the very bottom here. And you just want to select movie. And let's go ahead and create a movie. I'm just going to pick a more recent video that I have here. And then go ahead and hit create movie at the very bottom. So here we are. So now what we want to do is basically select the video. And once you select the video, you're going to have some options at the very bottom of your screen here. And you want to hit that timer right next to the cut tool. And what this is going to do is it's going to allow us to either speed up or slow down the video. And as you see, it uses a tortoise and a hare symbols. So you can go ahead and just raise this up and it's going to speed up the video. And as you see, the video is actually getting shorter because we are speeding the video up. You can also go ahead and slow it down, but you can also speed it up to as fast as you want. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and hit done at the top left-hand corner. And then we're going to go ahead and share the video, but save it to our photos. So go ahead and hit the share icon at the bottom of the screen here. And we're going to select save or share photo. And then from here, we're just going to hit save video in the middle of the screen here. And that's going to save it to your photos album. So it's just easier to get to. And as you see here, it says the movie was exported to your photo library. And then let's go to our photos. And that video has been sped up to 7 seconds.